This is a targeted skills review on finding mean. The students will be able to calculate the mean of a set of numbers. And this is targeted for some of my higher math students. So in order to start out, I view a quick tutorial from Virtual Nerd called What is the Mean of a Data Set? Bring the students over to a whiteboard, introduce that I can statement, which is I can determine the mean of a given set of data. And we go over some parts and pieces and vocabulary associated with finding the mean. The students practice this skill by playing a card game called M&M's. Where the students flip over 7 cards and then they have to determine the mean, median, and mode for each one. The focus for this though is finding the mean. So I just tell students that they just find the mean of the 7 cards, and once they've done it a few times they can up the number of cards flipped. Next day, the students are working on their own on a sheet called Finding the Mean, where they're just given a series of 6 to 8 numbers, and they have to find the mean. And the students are asked to show their work. Next day, I check in with the students and we go over that sheet. I have students really focus on explaining how they determine the mean and what that word means. What does mean? The last day, we have an interactive practice for the students called Bamzuki, and the students have to find the mean, median, and mode, and the range. It's a fun little game. That's off of the BBC website. So on the last day, the students are showing if they can find the mean of a set of numbers. So again, they're doing some practice finding the mean, and they need to show their work on how they solved each one of these. And that's an overview of the skills group of finding a mean.